Hello, good morning. Welcome back. It is actually a Tuesday morning here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Temperature right at about 44 degrees. Had a little snow yesterday unexpectedly at a temperature of 38, which is more or less unheard of. Well, I'm back behind the wheel of a 2015 Audi Q5. Right now I'm on Highway 85, making my way into Charlotte. I apologize for the appearance. I'm fresh out of the shower, fresh off of a gym workout this morning. So I apologize for the appearance, but I do want to show you the performance of this vehicle. Audi is a brand that I actually love. I love the performance of the vehicle. They're a little bit behind in their technology. Now, this is a 2016. I may have said 15 earlier, but this is a 2016 Audi Q5. They're a little bit behind the ball on the technology portion of it as of the 2016. I want to say 2017s. Now, I will be taking a look at the 2018s later on. The 2018 Q5 was reintroduced as a new vehicle with slightly new skin. So I'm not as caught up on that particular model as I am this one, but I am going to show you the performance just in case you're actually thinking about buying a Q5. Hey, and keep in mind, this is my own personal vehicle. Guess what? It's going to be up for sale here shortly. I've got to move on. I've got other vehicles to actually test out and experience as far as ownership. Haven't had many problems whatsoever with the vehicle. A couple of recalls here and there, but that's normal for any vehicle. Outside of that, it's actually been a good vehicle. So anybody trying to sell the vehicle short with problems and things of that nature, it's been relatively normal, just normal recall information. So, going to cut it short, turn around and just show you how the vehicle performs. Now, keep in mind right now I'm actually going 85 miles per hour here on Highway 85, and here is the vehicle that I'm driving. So the vehicle itself, I always love to show you the dash and the trim. So as you can see, kind of back up here a little bit so you can actually see the vehicle itself. So you can see the temperature. I wish it would show the digital miles because I'm always curious to know what I'm going, because it doesn't feel like I'm going 82 miles per hour at all. It's a very smooth ride. The thing that I love most about Audi is the power standpoint. I mean, this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged. Now, you will have a lot of the manufacturers that are doing turbocharged and supercharged. Audi, I don't think really needs to go to that. This is sufficient enough. I'm doing 80 right now. If I actually speed up, everything tends to be more of instant. So you can get a shot of the dash, you can get a shot of the road, going past the BMW here. How about that? I would say Audi's primary competitor, but definitely an elite vehicle. Never have a problems whatsoever regarding the performance of the vehicle. Accelerating, taking off, the responsiveness of the steering, everything is right on point. Of course, with the Quattro system, it's a very capable vehicle. I should say legendary Quattro system. It's a very capable vehicle that they've actually equipped the car with. Google Maps on the navigation. There again, 80 miles per hour. And we're coming up on Brookshire Boulevard, which is going to be my exit point. So I'm going to have to maneuver here. So bear with me. So 80, preferably I would like to get in front of the 18-wheeler you see there. So no traffic behind me. I've got my blind spot assist on the side. Right now I'm hovering just under 90. So I was able to make it past the 18-wheeler. Or United Rentals. So I'm going to make my way off Brookshire Boulevard. Now, when I make my way off, this is very interesting because I'm really able to give you a shot of the performance of the vehicle. One of the things that pissed me off with the way people drive, you can see the traffic backed up on the exit here. People tend to get at the top of the exit and just sit. For whatever reason it may be, they just sit. They find that's a good time to actually check the text messages, send the text messages, make a call, or whatever so it may be, but it pisses me off greatly. And a lot of other people. You will actually see people cut traffic here, which can be a dangerous point. I try not to do that, but sometimes it's very, 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 very difficult not to do. As soon as we start going, I'll show you some of the capabilities of the vehicle. As you can tell with the guy in front of me here, I don't know if you see, but he's taking a moment to send a text message. So I'm going to have to blow him to speed up and do what he's supposed to be doing right now, which is driving. Hey, you may say I'm doing the same thing, but I'm driving, I'm moving along, I'm not holding anyone up at all. So we're gonna go around this guy. So here we go. So as you can see, very responsive in that manner. Already at 60. Coming up on oncoming traffic. You can see uptown Charlotte in the back. And you may ask yourself, why do I do this? Hey, I may repeat a couple of words there, here and there, that annoys you, or may annoy you. I may actually do things you don't agree with. But at the same time, if you're thinking about buying the vehicle, I always love to show you what to expect. I did one earlier on the Audi A5. Very capable vehicle as well. If you go back and take a look at that, loved driving the vehicle. Absolutely loved it. Charlotte probably has some of the worst roads there may be when it comes to the surface of the road. So we're going to experience a little bit of movement here. And I'm going to lift you up. Part of that was my fault. So you can get a shot of the traffic. You can see what's in front of me. And whenever I make my move, I'll definitely let you know. Right now, we're hovering right at about 70 miles per hour. Take you back up. Okay, so here we go here. Get a little break in the action. Okay, so basically what I want to do is get in front of the GMC here. And let's do it. So as you can see, no problem at all. Matter of fact, I'm accelerating to a point when I got up on those vehicles to where I could really take off. It really didn't alter their drive. Now, most vehicles you can't do that. Because of the hesitation, because of the acceleration and the pull of the vehicle, typically what you will get is a situation to where you will get right up on the vehicle and it feels as if you're not quite moving as you would like. Get back over. And you can see the top of the steering wheel as well. So of course, whenever I turn, you can see it and how responsive the vehicle may or may not be. So we're going to go ahead and take the people hauler here, Honda Odyssey. If you're more performance oriented, Audi is definitely a brand for you. If you're looking for your normal drive, comfort, things of that nature, what a lot of people don't know, they have a couple models that are actually tops in their class, such as the A6 and also the A3. So very capable vehicles, very comfortable vehicles as well. Slightly behind on the technology on the older, outdated models, but some of the newer stuff should have a little bit more than what you're looking at here. Once again, my name is Alton, and if you haven't taken the time, definitely subscribe to my channel. I bring you things such as this. A lot of times you can't get out and actually drive the vehicle on your own, so that's what I'm here for. Subscribe and listen, watch. I'm here for you.